Chapter 8. Programming Languages. Did you know computers can understand their own special language? It's called machine code and it tells the computer what to do. As you can see, it doesn't make a lot of sense to humans. Each number or letter is telling the computer to change something in its memory. This could be a number or word, or a little part of a picture or video. Computers can't do anything on their own, they need a programmer to give them clear instructions. That's how they know what to do. What is programming? Coding is the process of using a programming language to get a computer to behave how you want it to. You may also hear coding referred to as software programming or computer programming. These instructions are communicated using a language that computers can understand, like Visual Blocks, JavaScript, Python, HTML5 and CSS. Almost all of the technology we use today has been created with computer programming. Our apps, computer programs, video games and even the technologies in our cars rely upon coding. Benefits of learning coding. The benefits of learning to coding are numerous and they include the following. Computer programming helps students build logical thinking. Coding enhances creativity. Computer programming teaches persistence. Learning to code promotes problem solving. Coding enhances communication. Coding teaches math skills. What is programming? Programming is the process of developing an executable software program that is implemented without any errors. It is the programmer's job to analyze a problem in the code and provide solutions. With programming, you can almost do anything, like programming robots to help with house chores or even programming self-driven cars like Tesla. Programming versus coding. Programming. Programming is about developing a full-fledged software. Coding. Coding is just taking part in the process of programming. A set of specific tools needed for different tasks such as testing, debugging, and others. A simple text editor is enough for coding and coders to do prefer which had good themes in it. A person should be expertise in algorithms, problem modeling, and project management. A person should be good at basic knowledge of programming languages and syntax. Proper planning and time managing are things to take care of here. No prerequisites needed to get started. As a result, we get a simple solution or a small piece of code. As a result, we get a full ready-to-use application. Programming and coding both are important for providing efficient and potential software for the end user. Both terms are interlinked with each other. FactGPT. Computers operate on what is called a binary code. All of the software that runs them is written using only zeros and ones, and there are infinite combinations of these two digits. That's why new software can be written all the time. Types of programming languages. A programming language is a specific, coded language used to convey instructions to a machine. Following are some basic types of programming languages. Scratch. Scratch is a free programming language, an online community where you can create your own interactive stories, games and animations. It uses a simple, block-based interface that makes coding fun and easy for beginners. Python. Python is a programming language that sounds and reads like spoken English. Python code that is structured well enough appears as if the comments are already contained in the code, therefore adding comments is rarely necessary. HTML5. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used for coding web pages. It marks elements of a document, like headings and paragraphs, and tells a computer how they should be displayed. Ruby. Ruby is a powerful language that was first used to develop X, formerly Twitter. You can demonstrate right away that the application is a utility that is utilized on major sites. Java. Java is one of the most popular programming languages in use. Java has been around for almost 2 decades and there are numerous online tools, toolkits and courses that it can be used to build nearly anything from the bottom up. Recapitulate. Computers have their own language called machine code which tells them what to do. Coding is the process of using a programming language to get a computer to behave how you want it to. Computer programming helps students build logical thinking. Programming and coding both are important for providing efficient and potential software for the end user. A programming language is a specific, coded language used to convey instructions to a machine. Gloss GPT. Persistence, prolonged existence of something. Executable, able to be run by a computer. Debugging, the process of identifying hardware or software. Prerequisites, to need or require.